If your skin is looking dull, the new Hourglass Rebalancing Cleanser is for you. It's made with intense hydration ingredients and agastache mexicana flower extract, say that 3 times fast, to keep moisture in your complexion. Radiant skin, here we come. Shani Darden's Intensive Eye Renewal is formulated with silk tree extract to brighten the eye area, squalene to hydrate, and niacinamide to smooth out any fine lines you may like to see less of. Apply it at night to wake up with a more youthful, radiant look, packed with a blend of citrus, green tea, ferulic acid, and ginseng. The Pixie Vitamin C Remedy Mask brightens and hydrates skin. Keep the toning jelly formula in the freezer for 10 minutes before you use it for a cooling effect when you apply it. Packed inside Whimsy's official Halcyon Botanic Serum bottle is an 8-ingredient formula that includes oils of Kalahari watermelon, rosehip seed, jojoba, camellia seed, apricot, strawberry seed, borage, and carrot seed. When these oils are blended together, you get less redness, smoother skin, and long-lasting moisture. For plump skin, Trioles Collagen Peptide 24 Moisturizer. Its lightweight formula has vitamin B3 to brighten your complexion and collagen-boosting peptides to firm skin and diminish fine lines. When the two work together, you're looking at a hydrated, smooth complexion. When you use Coco Kind's Prebiotic Sake Body Lotion, you're pumping some good ingredients into your skin. It's made with fatty acids to moisturize and brightening enzymes like fermented rice that exfoliate dead skin cells away. Can you say soft skin? We can. Whether or not you enjoy oat milk in your coffee, you're sure to enjoy it in your skincare with the Burst Gentle Cycle Milky Cleanser. Not only does it wash away dirt and oil, but it keeps skin hydrated and minimizes redness with the addition of marula oil. If you want to look like a glazed donut minus all the highlighter, Peter Thomas Roth's Water Drench Hyaluronic Glow Serum is for you. Its formula consists of 75% hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate skin in no time. Lemon in skincare can sound scary, but the Ole Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub is anything but. It's an exfoliating treatment loaded with alpha-hydroxy acids, including lemon peel, to deep clean and make pores seem less apparent. Plus, it's super refreshing, like a sip of cold lemonade on skin. The L'Oreal Paris Sublime Bronze Self-Tanning Facial Drops give fairer skin tones a subtle glow when you mix 5 drops of this serum made with dihydroxyacetone, a sugar that when mixed with proteins on your skin makes it tan, and hydrating hyaluronic acid with your favorite moisturizer. Laura Mercier's potent infusion of 10 botanical oils, coconut, sunflower, safflower, jojoba, rose, and more, received the highest score in the lab's phase oil test of 56 formulas. It raised skin hydration by 12% over 6 hours in the lab's corneometer measurements. Skin felt immediately softer and looked dewy, a tester reported.